All right, let's break down a YouTube automation blueprint that pulled in 6 figures in just 1 year. Yup, over 100 grand in ad revenue from one faceless channel using this exact strategy. So how'd they do it? The nostalgia niche. It taps into an older US audience with amazing ad rates. So here's the game plan. We're gonna walk through the whole thing from setup to upload. Okay, first things first, setting up your channel. You gotta do this right to stay off YouTube's radar. This little warm-up tells YouTube you're a real human, not a bot. Super simple, but super important. And you wanna build out a real brand. This signals you're legit and helps avoid getting demonetized. All right, now for the fun part, finding viral ideas. We're using data and AI, so no more guessing. So you find a big channel in your niche and just scrape their video data from a site like Social Blade. Then comes the magic. You feed that raw data to an AI, which organizes it to find the patterns. And boom, the AI spits out exactly what works, telling you which topics are getting all the views. You even get these amazing fill-in-the-blank title templates, proven to work based on real data. Okay, on to creation. Think of this as your AI-powered assembly line for making the actual videos. You've got a specific tool for each part of the process: script, voice, images, the whole shebang. Now this is key. Use specialized tools. It's how you avoid creating that generic, low-quality AI slop. Same goes for the voice. A unique AI voice makes your channel feel way more original and authentic. All right, video's done. Now we have to package it so people actually click on it. For thumbnails, you're basically modeling what's already successful, but using AI to create the visuals fast. And don't forget SEO. This is how you get that steady, long-term traffic from search results. Okay, last part, let's get real for a second. This system is powerful, but it's not magic. The creators said it best, this isn't for lazy people. AI helps, but you still have to work. So it really makes you think, right? Maybe being a creator now is less about making stuff and more about strategy.